Right. Next heading. Gravitational potential. Gravitational potential. Okay. So, what is gravitational potential? When we carry any mass particle small m, any test mass small m from source mass. When we carry mass m small m away from source mass capital M, then we do work against attractive force. This gravitational force is this gravitational force acting on mass m due to capital M is toward the center of the capital M. Is toward the center of the capital M. When we carry away this mass, away, then we do work against this force. ठीक है? तो but when we bring mass m from infinite, suppose this is infinite, when we bring same mass m from infinite, then we gain work because force is attractive. It acts toward the center of source mass. So no work is done. We get work when we carry mass m from infinite to point P, then we get work. ठीक है? तो later amount of work gained by agent in carrying mass m from infinite to point P in W. Let work done by agent to carry mass m from infinite to point P in W. W is the work to carry mass m from infinite to point P. Then amount of work done by the agent to carry unit mass become W by m. So W by m is the work required to bring unit mass from infinite to certain point inside the gravitational field. ठीक है? तो amount of work required to bring unit mass from infinite to certain point in gravitational field is known as gravitational potential at that point. ठीक? तो W by m is the gravitational potential at point P. Wim is the gravitational potential at point P. So thus, what is gravitational potential? Amount of work required to bring unit mass from infinite to certain point inside the gravitational field is known as gravitational potential. ठीक है? So thus gravitational potential is amount of work required to bring gravitational potential is amount of work required to bring unit mass from infinite to certain point. From infinite to certain point inside gravitational field. So later amount of work required to bring mass m from infinite to point the net amount of work required to bring mass m from infinite to point P. Mass m from infinite to point P is W. W is the amount of work required to bring mass m from infinite to point P. ठीक है. Then amount of work required to bring unit mass become W by m. तो amount of work required to bring unit mass from infinite to certain point inside the gravitational field is known as gravitational potential. ठीक है. So gravitational potential at point P, gravitational potential at point P is given by gravitational potential at point P. Potential at point P become W by so this is represented by letter capital. So gravitational potential at point P is W by m. ठीक है. तो W is work which is scalar quantity, m is mass which is scalar quantity. So ratio of two scalar quantity will be scalar. ठीक है. So thus gravitational potential is a scalar quantity. Gravitational potential is a scalar quantity. It is the ratio of work to mass. Both are scalar. So it is also scalar. It has no direction. So gravitational potential is a scalar quantity. So unit and dimension of gravitational potential. Unit and dimension. So V is equal to write unit of gravitational potential, we write a relation for gravitational potential. So gravitational potential V is equal to W by m. So write unit of W. So unit of W is joule. SI unit of work is joule. And unit of mass. SI unit of mass is, what is SI unit of mass? What is SI unit of mass? In which unit we measure vegetables, rice, kilogram. The unit of mass is kilogram. So write here kilogram. Okay. So thus B is equal to joule kg minus 1. So thus SI unit of gravitation potential is joule kg minus 1. SI unit of gravitational potential SI unit of gravitational potential is जूल kg मान, ठीक है। डायमेंशनल फार्मूला, राइट डायमेंशनल फार्मूला। तो टू फाइंड डायमेंशनल फार्मूला ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल, टू फाइंड डायमेंशनल फार्मूला ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल, we write a relation for gravitational potential and write dimensional formula of each physical quantity in that relation and solve them by algebraic method. The result will be dimensional formula of the gravitational potential. So gravitational potential, from definition of gravitational potential, V is equal to W by Q, W by M, V is equal to W by M. So W is the work, M is the mass. So write dimensional formula of work and dimensional formula of mass. ठीक है। तो what is dimensional formula of work? Dimensional formula of work is M L square T minus 2 and dimensional formula of mass is capital M. Simplify in division on same base power subtracted. The power of M here is 1, here is 1. So M 1 minus 1, L square T minus 2. So dimensional formula of V become M0 L square T minus 2. M0 L square T minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula of gravitational potential. Okay. Write down.
Okay.
चलिए राइट नेक्स्ट हेडिंग
अब ना